This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter roti like a restaurant. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, and a little oil. Make sure you have warm water ready for kneading, as this helps create a soft dough. Don't forget the unsalted butter, which we'll use generously at the end for that authentic restaurant finish. Now, let's create the perfect dough. In a large bowl, combine your flours and salt. Gradually add warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, transfer it to a clean surface and knead for a good 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for soft rotis. Finally, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. With your dough rested, it's time to roll and cook. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Lightly flour your surface and roll each ball into a thin, round disc, aiming for about 6 inches in diameter. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium-high heat. Place a rolled roti on the hot surface and cook for about 30 seconds per side until you see lovely golden brown spots appearing. The final step brings that restaurant-quality taste. As soon as each roti comes off the griddle, brush it generously with melted unsalted butter. The heat of the roti will absorb the butter beautifully. Stack your cooked rotis on top of each other. This helps keep them warm and incredibly soft. Serve these delicious, freshly made butter rotis immediately with your favorite curry or dal for an authentic meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.